Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and if you are new here, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the notifications of new videos I post almost every week. So Diwali is coming, and how can we not make Toran for this coming Diwali? So we will be making this Toran with very easy technique. So let's begin. So for that you need a handmade paper, some artificial flowers. I already had this laddi. If you don't have this laddi, you can always make your own flowers. But for this DIY, I am using this old laddi I had, and I got it for around 30 to 40 rupees. And if you don't have this kind of laddi, you can always make your own by using this poly bag. So for that you need a specific yellow color only, yes, because we have to make this flower. This is very easy to make, like you have to cut the poly bag from up and down. And you have to keep on folding it until it looks like this, and then we are going to fix the center, and then we are going to make a circle and cut the circle. And start cutting it from the side. Try to make as many layers as you can, because then only your flower is going to look more fluffy, and try to cut it as near as you can. So the flower is ready. So did you see how easy it was to make? And now we are going to make a hole in the center. And if you don't have these kind of poly bags, you can always take this kind of wool and you can make some pom-poms. So we can use that as well. So let's begin and make our Toran. So first thing we are going to make is leaf. So I have already taken a cutout from the newspaper. Now start tracing the leaf and cut the paper. Now stick the paper leaf and it will look something like this. Now start bending it from the center like this and give it a shape of a leaf. You can take any empty pen and then start making leaf shape, something like this. And our leaves are ready. They are very easy to make, as you have seen. Now we are going to assemble them all together with a thread and a needle. Here I am using old Toran's accessories to make this Toran. But if you don't have old Toran, you can always take any green color of straw and you can assemble your Toran something like this. After assembling the flower, we are going to assemble the leaf. We have to make 2 holes like this and start making your Toran. You can do same thing with the real flowers and real leaves as well. It is not going to last for long. And if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. And to cover this thread, we'll be taking a sketch pen and we are going to cover the thread and we'll highlight the leaf. But yeah, if you want fresh flowers for Diwali, you can always make it with fresh flowers and leaves as well. And our homemade Toran is ready. As you can see, this was really easy to make. You can always make your Toran at home, and you can always make it with real flowers as well. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. And if you are new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.